Everybody, welcome back. Unboxing time again. Today is probably going to be from a company that most of you have probably not ever heard of. This one in particular, I don't know how well you can see it, is AK Options LLC. I stumbled upon them maybe around 6 months ago. I can't remember if I bought anything from them in the past, but today I'm going to show you what I got from them. I actually bought 4 of their Romanian semi-auto trigger groups for $10. $10 each, by the way. I also got one of the Yugo grenade launching spigot just because, why not? They were only $9.99, and then for whatever reason, I don't know what possessed me to get it, but I also got a Vietnam era M16 Bakelite grip, which I thought was just, yeah, why not? It's kind of cool. You don't see those very often. But also what you will see here today is a brand new, I think it's brand new. We'll find out shortly. Kind of new old stock, surplus, BM-59 multi-tool. And that's to go with BM-59 that I got from James River Armory. Reference the video up here if you're curious about that. But without further ado, let's just dive off into it. Actually, let me back up. This multi-tool is not for the one I got from James River Armory. It's actually for the kit that I got from Sarco, by the way. Sorry, need to clarify that. Sarco kit in the top right. So anyway, let's check it out so you guys can see what you can expect if you decide to purchase from AK Options LLC. And let's just see what we got. Because I'm curious. I'm sure you guys are curious. I'm always curious to see conditions of items from different companies, just to give you an idea of what you can expect. I think that is everything. Just double checking my little baggie here. Yes, that appears to be everything. So, right off the bat, this is a really cool Bakelite grip. It kind of looks like a dirty tan / brown and black. Really nice. I would imagine this is a Colt. This has got to be a Colt. I can't think of anything else. And it looks like it is dated. It's got a 5R. Oh wow. So I'll try to get a picture on the inside of this. There is a label maker that has 5R / appears to be 70 stuck on the inside of this grip here. That's interesting. That's different, but I've never seen a M16 Bakelite grip, so I thought this was really cool. This is actually pretty fat in design in comparison to your standard AR grips, so thought that was pretty neat. For $10, why not? So let's check out that Yugo grenade launching spigot. Oh yeah, this one's definitely well preserved. Still has the Cosmoline all over it. That's pretty cool. I just thought this would be really cool just to add to my M70s just for grins. I mean, it's not like I can actually use it for anything. We're not allowed to have those fun toys. Well, I guess we could, but you know, there's a lot of paperwork involved with that. And that's above my pay grade, so I'm not going to deal with that kind of stuff. Anyway, so those Romanian semi-automatic trigger groups. Once again, these were super cheap. I've always heard these are quite nice. Some of the nicest military surplus trigger groups that you can get. Once again, this is a semi-automatic version. It looks like these came from some kit. There is actually a 4.2. Oh, let me find it again. A 4.29 on that hammer. But these look as though they've been used very little. I don't know how well you guys can see that. The camera's not focusing real well, but I've heard, once again, that the Romanian semi-automatic trigger groups are quite nice. So if you guys have like an American-made AK and you want to change out your trigger group, this might be a viable alternative if you got one that really stinks and you just want to, you know, try something different. You know, once again, super cheap, especially in light of the fact that you can't find any of the Tapco G2 style trigger groups anymore. I've got 4 of them here. Let's just grab another one for a random sample. Check it out. Once again, they have got some wear. I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see this. Probably not well at all. My apologies. It has like a little bit of a brownish hue to it in terms of the finish here. And you guys know as well as I do that that can come out over time due to the age of the bluing or parkerization coating that's on these. I can't remember right now. I'm really tired. My apologies. But I think they'll work just fine. I don't see any issues with these. So once again, if you've got an American-made AK, let's say a Riley Defense or something like that, PSA maybe, and you want to try out a semi-automatic, not fully, semi, sorry guys, it's YouTube, I have to do it, trigger group in your AK, for funsies, these are cheap. Once again, AK Options LLC. You guys are smart, you can figure out where that's located, but like I said, 4 of these, $10 a pop. Oh yeah, great deal in my opinion. Now, on to that BM-59 cleaning tool, or multi-tool. Once again, the reason I got this is because my Sarco kit did not come with one, and I wanted one, and James River Armory was out of them when I ordered my James River Armory rifle, as well as sending my barrel off to them to be headspaced. And I found this one on eBay, so let's see what it looks like. The ones they had on eBay, oh yes, this is cool. The ones they showed on eBay were in a nice metal foil wrapper, as in, you know, the original factory, which is really cool. And here it is. That's pretty cool. I'll just let this sit right here. You guys can check it out. It is still sealed up. Now, seeing as how I have one in that stock that I got from RTG, I don't think I'm going to open this. I really don't think I'm going to. Yeah, you guys are going to hate me for that. But you can find sellers on eBay that have these still in the original packaging. You guys know what these look like. Just go back and reference my RTG BM-59 stock unboxing, but this is a brand new one in the wrapper. I think I'm just going to leave it in here for a while, just because. Hate me if you want. I've got one already out of the wrapper. I don't need to open this one, but I wasn't expecting one to come in my stock, so here you go. Brand new in the wrapper. We're going to keep it that way, just because. So never forget, you can find a lot of stuff on eBay, whether it be accessories, whether it be parts, whether it be stocks or grips or things of that nature. That's how I found this. Oftentimes you can get them from different countries. So just wanted to cue you guys into that, as well as share with you my parts, accessories, whatever acquisitions from AK Options LLC. And if you guys are on the hunt for a cool M16 Bakelite grip, that's the fatty style, that feels really good in the hand, by the way, and looks cool, make sure you check them out, because that's cool. That is unique. And I'll try to get some good photos of this and insert them up here in the top left so you guys can see that. But that is just a really, really cool piece of history right there. And it's in great shape. Can't complain about it. But anyway, as always, guys, thank you to my subscribers. Thank you guys for all your likes, your shares, your comments. Comment down below. If you guys have ever seen any of these, I've never seen one. This was my first time I saw one. I was like, well, I don't know anything about it, but that's cool. So that's why I got it. So anyway, as always, guys, thanks for watching. Always enjoy the comments. Let me know what you guys know about these, how long they use these. I don't know. Might just have been some of the very first A1s. But anyway, thanks guys for watching. Until next time, you guys have a great day.